Hello and welcome back to Mikey's Flight Deck. Do you know what time it is? My Boeing finally does. In this video I will show you how you can make this clock for your Boeing 737 MIP panel. All panel layers are made from 3mm wide and clear acrylic. For every clock you will need 7 tactile buttons. And because of the small legs of the buttons, I had to countersink the acrylic plate from the backside. Two legs of every button are fixed with hot glue. The displays can be bought completely finished with this TM1637 driver, which can be controlled by MobiFlight. You only need connections on one side and they aren't cascadable. I finally bought a package of these M2 screws so I can fix the micro switches properly in position. A 2mm steel shaft is glued into the 3D printed coupler. I inserted smoked acrylic so that the signs of the 7-segment displays aren't visible when they are turned off. 30mm hex standoffs are used to separate the plates. I combined some 15mm ones. Just use what you have there. Don't cut the fit of this glass too tight, because the lines of the outer part are very thin and tend to break. These were the only 20mm screws I had available at the moment, but I will replace them later with some grey painted ones. At the end I'm placing this motor driver here at the back side. I think this isn't the prettiest solution here. I could have designed some fancy holder for it, maybe, which would let it sit here over the motor. But I think this will work too. Just keep in mind that it shouldn't stick over this upper edge here. This edge is a little bit narrower here. This edge down here is the reference you should look after. For the captain's side, you need an additional big on-off switch. some screws and 15mm hex standoffs are used to hold the backlight panel. And again, 2 sections filled in my MIP panel. I don't know if I have said this on many panels before, but this wasn't too difficult to make when you don't look at all the designing process before. But luckily you can skip this process. Just get a membership for Mikey's Flightdeck on my website and you can download a full set of files that you need to engrave and cut out and 3D print all the needed files to build your own clock panel at home. In one of the next videos I will show you in detail how to interface this panel with MobiFlight and ProSim. And if you don't want to miss this upcoming episode, then subscribe to my channel to stay informed about any upcoming new video from me. And I hope we'll see you soon back on the flight deck. Yes, you want to fly the Boeing too?